Okay, on the last lab that we did, which was a temperature lab, we are measuring temperature in Celsius, and Celsius is also based on water, and just like my notes, we looked at my notes, it also is a part of a bigger scale called the Kelvin scale. So it asks you to write down multiple temperatures. So this first one that we'll look at is boiling water, and it looks like it is right at 100 degrees Celsius. And my room is pretty cold, so that boiling water feels pretty good right now. Alright, turn that off so it'll stop boiling. And let's go over here and take a look. We're going to also use hot water from the sink and some cold water, so I'm going to let that run just a little bit. And I'm going to get a thermometer. My thermometers are mostly Celsius ones, but I also have one that has Fahrenheit. And so just to pick it up to start with, it looks like the temperature in my room, it has warmed up just a bit, a degree or so, and right now it is 18 degrees Celsius in my room. 18. Normally room temperature is around 22 degrees Celsius. So in Fahrenheit, I just went ahead and brought a Fahrenheit one over here, and initially an hour ago it was about 62 degrees Fahrenheit, and now it's bumped up to about 63. I'm sorry, it was 61 degrees Fahrenheit, and now it's bumped up to about 63 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's still pretty chilly in here. Okay, let's take a look at what cold water. So this has alcohol spirits in it. We no longer have mercury thermometers, but we're going to take a look and see. Cold water. Cold water looks like it's right about 20 degrees Celsius. And the warm water, it kind of depends on what you have your thermostat of your water heater set on at your house. Usually you don't want it to be too hot, because then you might make it too hot in the bathtub. But you want to make it hot enough that you can wash your dishes and your laundry. Okay, and it looks like even that's kind of cool today. But we'll go ahead and just take that temperature so I don't waste too much more water. And that would be 29 degrees Celsius. Normally that's, once it gets pretty warm, that warms up to around 40 degrees Celsius. So right now that's kind of a cooler, warm water. But we're going to go ahead and take that just so we don't waste more water. I'm going to turn off the video and walk you over to the freezer.